Thank you guys for this amazing opportunity today. I'm really overwhelming, and all my members are really overwhelmed to have such an amazing opportunity. You guys are really overwhelming us today. Please, next slide. Thank you so much. First of all,
Mushfiq.
Mushrik bhai, kindly please give the intro section. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. I am Tasfiya Sabha Onu. Today I am giving my presentation about the main dish from Bangladeshi cuisine. Uh, I am working as an associate of project management and HR in Pata Bangladesh Dhaka University student chapter. Almost I have completed 1.5 year in this chapter, and I am now working as a project management and HR. Today I am introducing the main dish of Bangladeshi cuisine, as Fahmid already mentioned some dishes from Bangladeshi cuisine. Now I am covering, and I'm covering and presenting the rest of Bangladeshi main dishes cuisine. So next slide, please. Um, so today I'm covering six main dishes from Bangladeshi cuisine, where you guys are already see the names of these dishes. All of these dishes are really mouth watering when you guys can see the pictures of these dishes, and I must say you guys will love it when you guys will try it. And I'm presenting these six dishes where the rice is the main ingredients of these dishes. So I'm starting with kachi biryani. I think you guys will know the name of the dishes. So next slide, please. So kachi biryani. It's a mixed rice dish with meat and full of meat. I must say, full of meat. Kachi biryani is one type of biryani where the raw meat are available, and raw meat will cooked through the rice and potato. It's the most popular and demanding dish in Bangladesh. As you guys already know, it's full of spice, flavor, and full of variety of Indian spices and Bangladeshi spices. You must say it's the main dish, and it's most demanding through the students like us, and also all of the people of around us. It's really popular among wedding also. When you attend a wedding in Bangladesh, you must have kachi biryani in your plate, and when you have one spoon of this kachi biryani, your mouth will watering such amazing spice and meat. Uh, in every bite, when you have this amazing biryani, you will have amazing spice, meat, and amazing flavor with lots of food. In Bangladesh, usually kachu biryani featured. With main dish wedding and social gathering, and also it is cooked with a clay pot and clay oven. For this oven, the pot is sealed with flour dough and allow the biryani to cook with its own steam. The steel pot isn't opened until the biryani is already being cooked. It is really famous in Puran Dhaka and among the all over Bangladesh. So you should must try this biryani when you visit in our country. So next slide. The next item is beef biryani. As you all guys know, biryani is a mouth-watering dish. It is originated among the Muslim of Indian subcontinent. According to some historical, it is preserved and supervised in Mughal royal kitchen. In this biryani and kachi biryani is preserved. Biryani is cooked according to rice added to the huge meat. In Bangladesh, Hajir biryani is really famous in Puran Dhaka. It is really famous for their own tradition and cuisine. They have a secret recipe for their own, and it's really mouth-watering. Many food blogger already tried this biryani in Bangladesh when they visit in our country. So you should must try this biryani as you visit in our country. Next slide. Tehri. Tehri is also one type of biryani. You already know two types of biryani. It's it's also one types of biryani where adding meat to the rice. Uh, uh, there is vegetable tehari, beef tehari, chicken tehari, and also many types of tehari. But in Bangladesh, beef tehari and chicken tehari are really famous. The term tehri and tehari has its own difference. Tehri means vegetable tehri, and tehari means rice with chicken or beef added. In Bangladesh, Royal Tehri is really famous in Dhaka. It is situated nearby our university. So we all the students of our university, uh, every time when you go through the passerby, we must have this biryani, and all of our surroundings really really feel so joy to have this biryani when we eat among when we eat with our all the friends and families. So next slides. Panta Ilish. As you all know, we are Bengalis. We have our own traditional culture. It is one of our main core tradition to have Panta Ilish when a traditional platter of Bengali food you have served. It's full of joy and happiness. In our Bengali New Year, or we say it's Poila Boishak. It's our own cuisine and variety. A traditional platter of leftover rice soaked in water. When it's served it is served with fried hilsa, dry fish, pickles, lentils, green chilies, and onion. It's a full of tradition. In our Bengali New Year, we almost all of us have this panta ilish. It is full of joy and flavors. It is served in a clay pot, so you should enjoy our tradition. Clay pot really preserve our old culture and tradition. When there is so much happiness among there, the all flavors among there, so you should really amaze this dish. You preserve this dish. So next slide. Vegetable khichdi. So there is raining outside there. I don't know you guys could listen or not. There is really raining outside there. I just say my mother to cook some khichdi with some brinjal fry. It's a mixed seasonal vegetable dish with served with brinjal fry and hilsa fry and potato fry. It's really delicious and healthy. It's really famous in rainy season, but almost all over the country have this in every season with its own deliciousness. It's mixed of flavors. When you have one spoon of this khichdi, it's mix of flavors, and it's really watering your mouth. So it's raining outside there. I just finished this session and have this khichdi cooked by my mother. I'm just waiting for it to have it. So you should try it when there is raining outside there and you are craving some amazing food. You just open the YouTube and see the recipe and just try it. I think you should love it. So next slide, please. Boa bhat. It's our old tradition. It's just made with broken rice. It's served with different types of bhatta. In Bikampur, Bangladesh, it is really famous. And we all have this amazing food when there is new rice outside there. It's really famous with spice. If you are a spice lover, you should try it with different types of bhattas. In Bangladesh, it is really famous when you go on a Bengali cuisine restaurant. You should have this with a little bit spice. I think it's really goes a little bit spice. If you are a spice lover, then it's okay to have it. But in our tradition, we are also a spice lover, and it is really goes up to our tradition. So next slide. I'd like to thank you so much, and that's all from me. please visit our country and explore our cuisine. It's really famous with its own culture and own tradition and own spice. You should visit our country, so we should explore together with our own, together with our dishes.